Alizé and Enoshai had been best friends since childhood. They lived in the same neighborhood, studied in the same school, and even shared secrets no one else knew. Though both were clever, their hearts were very different. Alizé was hardworking and honest. She believed that whatever you plant in life, whether kindness or deceit, always returns to you one day. Enoshai, on the other hand, was ambitious but often took shortcuts. She wanted quick success, even if it meant lying, cheating, or hurting others. One summer, their school announced a competition. The winner would receive a scholarship for higher studies. Excitement filled the air, and both Alizé and Enoshai decided to participate. The task was simple. Each student would grow a plant from the seed provided by the school. After 3 months, the healthiest and most beautiful plant would win the prize. Alizé was thrilled. She carefully prepared the soil, watered her seed daily, and talked to it as if it were her little companion. She protected it from insects and made sure it got enough sunlight. Every day, her efforts reflected in the tiny green leaves that slowly stretched toward the sky. Enoshai, however, grew impatient. For the first few days, she watered the seed, but soon she got bored. She wanted quick results without putting in the work. Then she came up with a plan. She secretly bought a young, ready-grown plant from the market and placed it in her pot. It looked healthier and bigger than Alizé's little plant, and she felt confident she would win the scholarship. 3 months passed quickly, and the big day arrived. The school courtyard was filled with rows of pots, each carrying the hard work of students. Teachers and the principal came to judge. When they reached Alizé's pot, they saw a modest but strong plant, its leaves fresh and shining. But when they reached Enoshai's pot, everyone gasped. Her plant was tall, with beautiful flowers. Students whispered in awe, and Enoshai smiled proudly, waiting for her victory. The principal bent down and touched the soil of Enoshai's pot. Something felt strange. He carefully pulled the plant, and to everyone's shock, it came out easily. The roots were weak and shallow, clear proof that it hadn't grown from a seed, but was transplanted. The principal looked at Enoshai and said gently, "Success built on lies can never last. As you sow, so shall you reap." Enoshai's face turned red with shame. Meanwhile, Alizé's simple, but genuine plant earned her the scholarship. She was applauded not just for her hard work, but also for her honesty. That day, Enoshai realized that shortcuts might bring temporary praise, but they can never bring true success. From then on, she promised herself to work hard and be truthful, just like her friend Alizé. And so, the two friends learned that in life, the seeds of effort, honesty, and patience always bloom into the sweetest rewards.